So Clive asks, pressure release valves. What is the general anticipated lifespan of a PRV, and what is the recommended interval or intervals that one should replace PRVs? Some plumbing providers want to replace these when installing new geysers, but what is the lifespan? Should you be changing them every 2 or 3 or 5 years anyway, etc.? Question.
So typically you notice a PRV failed once it's leaking. So once it continuously leaks more than 2 to 4 liters per day, that is considered a failed PRV. So if it just continuously streams water, that is a failed PRV. Typically the manufacturers carry a 2-year warranty on their products. So let's assume that the lifespan is 2 years. We all know that it's probably longer than that because we've had PRVs and geysers and complexes for more than those sort of time frames. But let's work on 2 years. I wouldn't proactively go out and replace those geysers, those pressure control valves, unless for some or other reason there was a project that installed water meters or that did something after the fact and is now prejudicing the warranty of the geyser. Keeping in mind that the PRV is bidirectional, I wouldn't do anything proactively in terms of replacing it, but you don't want to prejudice the warranty of the geyser.